Hello. This is my new love. Don't worry, the fountain pens are still very much a daily tool. However, I am enjoying a dream. This is a Smith Corona Skywriter. The name, the irony is not lost on me. Anyway, she was purchased through an extraordinarily helpful gentleman who goes by the name of Temporally Misplaced on Instagram. He himself restores, collects, and sells vintage typewriters. So, if you are looking for a typewriter, I encourage you to check him out. I've had this machine for 3 days now. I am learning how to attack the keys in a new way. There is an intention to the striking. Steve from Temporally Misplaced actually said, imagine touching something hot. So there's a quickness as well to how you strike the key, or maybe like a pit viper, or the game Hot Potato, thinking of the keys as hot potatoes. You don't want to burn yourself, but you still need to press them. I never realized how much personality a typewriter could have. One of the reasons why I enjoy fountain pens so much is because they really lend themselves to the writing. Their personality, how they were built, who they were written with or by in the past, really has an impact on how you write and what you write. And it seems that this typewriter has the same impact on writing. I really love how deliberate every letter you have to attack. There's a lot of consideration and thoughtfulness in typing that I never really appreciated on a computer keyboard. It's all very intentional. I am, without a doubt, in love with this machine, and I am so grateful to have it. Thank you, Steve, for all of your help and for making this dream come true.